The dice of the enemy's tricks reversed. The American eagle ripped it apart. Skies billowing, clouds of optimism. To storm and champagne, we reached our goal. We sail our ship on the high seas, molding the future of who we are. The origin of enterprise and opportunity. This the strength of America. Save this garden, laden with fruit, watered with the blood of Washington and Annie, Lincoln and martyrs that kept her lit, the path that paved our destiny. Meddled up with a tricky enemy, to be misguided, to be misled, and his home draws near, the road is clear. In service to men we march ahead, keep America great, safe and secure. The source code of global civilization, as the sun shines bright on the land of Lord. This my beloved generation. The world takes pride in the power of news, with fear to oppress all humanity. We shall not back down, we shall not submit. We'll shield of faith, but cautiously. Our enemy's corona hit us hard, leaving loved ones in our memories. The gloom shall pass with renewed accord, cherishing this win for centuries. Meddled up with a tricky enemy, to be misguided, to be misled, and his home draws near, the road is clear. In service to men we march ahead, keep America great, safe and secure. The source code of global civilization, as the sun shines bright on the land of Lord. This my beloved generation. Don't get lost in a maze, don't get swayed by dreamy haze. Let's embed the star spangled banner in the sky. Meddled up with a tricky enemy, to be misguided, to be misled, and his home draws near, the road is clear. In service to men we march ahead, as the sun shines bright on the land of Lord. This my beloved generation, keep America great, safe and secure. The source code of global civilization. The dice of the enemy's tricks reversed. The American eagle ripped it apart. Skies billowing, clouds of optimism. To storm and champagne, we reached our goal. Yet we sail our ship on the high seas, molding the future of who we are. The origin of enterprise and opportunity.